This is Tuesday, March 17th for English 3, periods 1, 4, and 5. The same as yesterday. I'd like to start with a question of the day. Then I would like to give you 3 quiz questions over the reading, and then 1 more discussion or opinion-based question. For today, Tuesday, you are supposed to have read page 45 to 60, and again, if you're far ahead, come back to those 15 pages. And if you're behind, make sure you get caught up before you try to jump into class. Your question for today is, I am not sure what's going on with the quarantine since I'm recording this on Sunday, but it's Tuesday, and if you could go to one restaurant, what is that restaurant you would go to? You have to pay for dinner, so don't go to the most expensive place if you're not willing to pay. But what is the one restaurant you would want to go to for dinner? So that's your question of the day. Second part is your quiz over those 15, 16 pages. There's 3 questions. Number 1, why does Montag feel like he needs to stay home? Why does he even suggest that to his wife that he should quit his job? So number 1 on your quiz, why does Montag say that he should stay home and possibly quit his job? What happens that makes him want to stay home and quit his job? Number 2 on your quiz, who visits Montag at his house? Somebody comes, enters Montag's home, and sits with him and has a long conversation. So number 2, who visits Montag at his house? And number 3 on your quiz, what does Mildred almost accidentally reveal that would have gotten Montag into a lot of trouble? Number 3, what does Mildred almost accidentally reveal that would have gotten Montag into a lot of trouble? So those are your 3 quiz questions. And for your discussion question, this is really an opinion, and hopefully you're using evidence from the book to respond to it. For example, when we ask, is Montag happy? Sure, you can say yes and no, but can you point to specific moments in the text? So your discussion question for today, you'll respond in a written form. Why does Beatty come to Montag's house? So why does Beatty come to Montag's house? What is his goal in coming? What is he trying to accomplish? What does he suspect? What is his purpose? Is this just a friendly visit to see how Montag is doing, or does he have a deeper intention? So your discussion question is answering in the form of a brief paragraph, why does Beatty come to Montag's house? So that's class for today. Your question, what's your restaurant of choice? Your 3 quiz questions, and then your discussion question of why does Beatty come to Montag's house? I want you to write those up, put them in a document, and submit those by the time you start class tomorrow. Again, that's Tuesday. We'll check in again tomorrow for block period.